Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review the book The Old Man and His God, and the author is Sudha Murthy. I think we all know her. She is an Indian engineering teacher and Kannada and English author. As her intro, she began her professional career in computer science and engineering. She is the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation and a member of the public healthcare initiatives of the Gates Foundation. So the book is a non-fiction book and it is published by Penguin Books India. In this book, the author had described the experiences which she had during childhood, during her work and during her travel. So it's a story-based book and I think it's fun to read story-based books. So there are total 25 stories. They are based on the experiences, which are real experiences of the author. Now, coming to the review of the book, the author had beautifully described the stories with great simplicity. Some stories will take us to the childhood of the author, where she explains how those days influence her life and help her becoming more social, because we can feel that thing by reading the stories itself. Some stories are based on the travel experiences which she had during her travel journeys outside the country, where she narrates how she was treated as an Indian in those countries, how she felt as an Indian. So she explained those real experiences. In some stories, there are experiences which she had as a teacher, some experiences she shared which she had in her social work, and it beautifully shows the different phases, the different types of people and their behavior in different situations. Overall, I can say that the stories have some of the other moral value to give us. And each story made me realize that we learn a lot from our experiences, which we encounter in our life, in the journey of life. And it made me think about some of my experiences about in my past, which somewhere taught me many things. So I'm sure when you will read the book, you will also feel the same, you will also experience the same. You'll go back and recollect some of your experiences. One thing I notice about the book is that at the end of every story, there is a beautiful phrase or a line, which is really fascinating to me. I love that thing. And it really gives a wonderful concluding touch to the story. If you read the book carefully, you will notice the meaningful quotes which the author mentions in the book. My favorite quote in the book is, "There is something within us that attracts us to the truth." Do let me know what quote you found and what you like the most in the book in the comment section if you go for this book. All the stories have a touch of humanity, values, wisdoms, and some or the other lesson to give us, which will definitely help us to grow more emotionally and will definitely help in adding values to us. Now, my recommendation, yes, I recommend this book to everyone. I strongly recommend it to parents because they can tell these stories to their children, and that will definitely help the kids in increasing their values, which is very important in today's world. We can give some values through these simple stories to them, and as you read it, you will easily connect to the motive behind the story. I would like to read the blurb of the book for you all. As she goes about her work with the villagers, slum dwellers, common man and woman of India, Sudha Murthy, writer, social worker and teacher, listens to them and records what they have to say. Their accounts of the struggle and hardship which they have at times overcome and at other times been overwhelmed by are put together in this book. There are stories about people's generosity and selfishness in times of natural disasters like the tsunami, women struggling to speak out in a world that refuses to listen to them, and tales of young professionals trying to find their feet as they climb up the corporate ladder. Told simply and directly from the heart, The Old Man and His God is a collection of snapshots of the varied facets of human nature and a mirror to the souls of the people of India. So that's all about the review. I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button. And thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Take care.